Welcome to 6067 Modeled Duck Drive. We're in the Richfield floor plan built by Keystone Homes, where we've got 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. The definition of open concept living. This is a new construction home. I cannot wait for y'all to take a look at it. For more information about this house and our other new constructions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can email me at newhomes@jpropertiesonline.com. You can call me, text me, DM. My contact number is 803-270-7583. Again, I am Joe Seaman with the J Properties Group, brokered by Maybaum Real Estate.